go, Brad. Are you good?
Yeah.
Verses with a sick purpose, do it for the kids hurting. End of the day, we feel legit worthless, so keep working, apply pressure. That fire inside could never die ever. See, I was just a rapper up in Michigan State, working at Quizno, serving Mr. Izzo, working on my rhymes with a full-time job. Go to school full-time, that's 3 full-time jobs. I guess I'm living proof. Working at that plant, lunch breaks, I'm on the phone getting interviewed. And I can be cynical, Lord knows that it's difficult, and I'm not even close to my pinnacle. But last year I was basically unheard of.